So I'm just waiting to pick up my buddy Michael. He doesn't know I brought the Lambo today. So he's in for a big surprise. Let's see what his reaction is. So he said he'll be out in 2 minutes, so we'll see his reaction.
You filming me?
Yeah, let's see if you had a good reaction. What's up?
I heard you pull in and I was like,
oh shit.
You brought the Lambo.
Dude, I was like in like 5th gear, like, yeah.
Dude, I'm sorry, but as soon as I heard that, I was like, oh, that's a V10. Yeah.
Hey man. Food. Nope, it's still chill.
I hear a V12. Sounds like Amadeo's.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Cody. This is Crushin Gears, and we're here at EA Cars and Coffee. It's the first one of the year, so let's go check out. As you can see in the back, we brought the bowl out, so let's go check out some of these cars. It's a big turnout, could barely find parking, but let's go check out some cars. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys around.
Screw it up, because I knew that was coming.
I'll bring it time for some Red Bull. Ferraris look so good in red. This is the best thing about the older Ferrari Spiders. Guys, check out the wrap on this Beamer. It's so sick. It looks like marble. Oh, it's so sick. Kudos to this one. It's so sick, even without the wing, man. That's sick. No way! What you gonna do? What you gonna do? He's playing bad boy. He's playing bad boy. Come on. Wow. Such a sick rap. Sick round. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys like that video, make sure to crush that like button. If you want to cop some merch, even though I'm not wearing it right now, link is in the description. 10% off just for you guys because you guys are very nice. And crush that subscribe button. See you guys next video. Peace.